The City of Portland and the Laborers Union can't agree on cost of living increases and raises. More than 600 workers plan to strike. These are mostly sewer and wastewater workers, street maintenance workers, pollution testers, and park rangers.
I think it's going to be a huge challenge for the city to find people that can replicate the work our folks do.
James O'Loughlin is a former wastewater operator who's now working as a Portland City Laborers Union rep. He says about 630 specialized trade workers are ready to strike starting on Thursday. And if that happens, the community will notice.
Things break. All the catastrophic failures that we face routinely that get addressed, they're not going to be addressed. They're not going to be fixed. Sewer lines, pump stations, city infrastructure, crises in the parks, all those things that the public doesn't see because our people handle it, they're going to see.
Portland Mayor Ted Wheeler has issued an emergency declaration in preparation for the planned strike, saying the city will hire replacement workers and contractors with emergency funds to ensure the work continues. The city and the union are at an impasse over pay, specifically cost of living increases and raises that reflect rising inflation. Portland says it's offering a 12% wage increase to these workers by July, with half of that retroactive to 2022. This includes a 5% cost of living increase for each year. The workers in the union, however, want the city to remove the cap of 5% for cost of living increases, both now and into the future. O'Loughlin points to Bureau of Labor Statistics data that shows inflation rose between 6 and 8% the last 2 years.
We can't have our people take pay cuts based on inflation after the way they showed up for the city through the pandemic and its related crises. They're just not going to do it. We're going to lose people, at a rate that exceeds the challenges with vacancies, recruitment, and retention the city's already faced.
The city and union reps were in negotiation sessions on Friday. The city says it's also offering health care improvements, increased hours for seasonal workers, and other concessions. But for now, both sides say they're planning for a strike. The union and workers are holding a rally tomorrow right here from noon to 3 in front of City Hall. They say they're committed to negotiating a fair contract. City leaders aren't taking interviews on this topic right now, just preparing for those workforce replacements. Evan Watson, KGW News.